In this video, I will show you how to create a Bitrsafe account. So simply go to yoursafe.com and now here click on sign up. Now which kind of account do you want to open? Business account, your account. So simply I will go with your account. Click on sign up now. Now here type your first name, last name, select your country, enter your cell phone number. Now here type your email address and after that simply type your password here. So now select this option and click on sign up process. So now you have to check your email inbox and confirm your account. Simply go and check your mailbox. So here you can see I have received my mail here. So just click on confirm email address. So now after that, in the final step, you have to download your Safe app in your cell phone and scan the QR code and link to your phone and start using your Safe account.